Alright, so for today's video we have an unboxing of a 1/200 scale models made by Inflights. This is the Omega tanker. It's the DC-10 Omega tanker. It's just recently released by Inflights. So without further ado, let's get it out of the box here. Just some paperwork to show my proof of sale. Packing material here, and then the model is, I guess, wrapped in the material. Packaging right here. Here's the model itself. Get this box out of the way here, and put the model down. So there's the model box. It's the picture of the real aircraft right there. It's the Omega tanker, DC-10, McDonnell Douglas. Computer generated image right there, and some more information. Inflights, their website, and they typically double brand their packaging, so if you get the model, this will probably most likely be on the back, but this is the model that's in there. So let's get it out of the box here. Put that down to the side. Get this model open. Pretty excited to get this model. Big fan of the MD-11s and DC-10s, and this is one of the only refueling aircraft that I like, and that actually refuels U.S. aircraft. I believe they refuel for the Navy. And here's the stand that comes with it. It's a nice stand. It's got the rubber on there, so it doesn't damage the model. Omega tanker, McDonnell Douglas Dc-10, 40i, 1/200 scale. So we'll put that over there. And then here's the model itself in the packaging. Doesn't look like I got a collector's card, which is unusual because normally with these in-flight models you get a collector's card. I don't think it was taped to the packaging. No, it wasn't taped to the packaging at all. So that's kind of weird that I didn't get a collector's card. But we'll get the model out here. Let's pull it out very carefully. So there it is. Put the top back down on the box, and I'll set the model down on it. Okay, so there it is, the DC-10 refueling aircraft. It's a pretty cool little model. Probably going to make a review of it here in the next few days and get that uploaded. That is the unboxing. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. I know some of my longtime viewers know me for like I collect 1/50th scale stuff. This is just another hobby of mine, and I figured I'd make an unboxing of some of the stuff that I'm getting. Other than 1/50th scale, you can also see I've got a new white background here. Slowly working on getting that better so I can do some reviews down here. But overall, that's just about it for this video. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And if you'd like to follow my social media, both of my links are in the description. And stay tuned for the next video to be uploaded.